The rules are very simple in this challenge. There are no rules. Actually, there is. 3 kills, you win. 3 deaths, you lose. 3 kills, 1 death, you still win. Well, the point is not get 3 deaths before you get 3 kills. Okay? And that's how you win. And I hope you hit that like button. Hit it now. Or I don't know. I won't give you a pair of Jesus. Yeah. No Jesus for you. Hit that like button. Watch the whole video. And hit that like button. And enjoy the video. Yeah. Just enjoy. And hit that like button. I hope you hit that like button right now. Just hit it. I dare you. Just hit it. Let's aim for 1 million likes! I mean, I don't know how many likes. It's whatever. If you want, you feel like it. Yes. If you don't, just hit the like button then. Okay? You feel like hitting the like button, well, you hit the like button. You don't, well, don't hit it. Just hit the like button if you don't. Okay? Bye. Bye. Okay, bye. Hit the like button. Okay, bye.
Take what you want from me. I'll give you everything. All that and more you'll see. Just stay right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns. With paper crowns. Take what you want from me. I'll give you everything. All that and more you'll see. Just stay right here with me. The story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns. With paper crowns. With paper crowns. With paper crowns. A king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns.
Inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I'm keeping my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the gun to fire. No more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once, I don't need to go around anymore. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway and cancel the cruise control. Switching the manual. Don't you wanna feel right? Setbacks, you can't win them all, but I'm proud I tried. I'm glad we had a dialogue. It's good to shape the mind. Speeding up the pace, turning up the heat. Where I need to be for the first time. I'm taking risks, I'm casting off without a lifeline. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway and cancel the cruise control. Switching the manual. Don't you wanna feel right again?
They always say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,